Ifoni mayibe ne-apula emuva. Ifoni mayibe ne-apula emuva nina. Angazi if nanyizwa na ifoni mayibe ne-apula emuva. Hayibo. Unomali. Umuntu ongekho normal, umuntu onefoni engena apula emuva lapho awukho normal. Ifoni mayibe ne-apula emuva.
You still like untshontshe you still an albino ne. Then you try to cut past ne. Then you sell them, they will make you more money. Like at that time, Dwana, or at that phase, maybe it was last year or 5 years back. How did you feel, Dwana? Like, did this song that says Seri Laka? Okay, what happened? So, what are you using that song, Dwana? It's released that one.
In the crowd is over me. I'm definitely sure you will make money. Kanna. It's hard for me to go there. So that's why sometimes internet, so I include my mom because I know like a new ones here. So, yeah.
So like we first born is.
Yeah. Me first and last
Okay, yeah. Go.
So I include my mom. The time I was doing this, like they have video name. Ifoni mayibe ne-apula emuva. Ifoni mayibe ne-apula emuva nina. Angazi if nanyizwa na ifoni mayibe ne-apula emuva. Like I wasn't fighting with anyone. I was just doing a content. But at the same time, I feel like I'm but I still promote they should do something, but like Baba Science next.
Because you said you're releasing a song, man. Not a song title, yeah.
Imagine telling me, Manikinyo so.
Is it episode 43 Buffett and Hamalur, you Snow White Buffett, and guess what? She's from SABC Buffett. We're still going on Buffett and Buffett. Stay tuned for more. So Fetu, like in Dwana, how was it like from SABC in Dwana? The vibes in Dwana, ish.
Yo guys, it was I don't know lie. Like I enjoyed, the session. And I enjoyed a lot. I feel like he's promoted the way being for a corner.
Yeah.
And then like if you get cool me so pale. Yeah. So
like were you not scared like don't have figure like for the first time, they are supposed to prepare for you some things that you don't even know and they'll be new to your face.
Yeah, the thing is but I wasn't scared at all. I was excited because like cool, and then yeah, being ready for anything. Yeah, but like when I feeling good, like I can't wait to figure out. Yeah.
So Donna, like how did you go about it, like to get in connection with those guys? Because I'm sure some of the kids out there been trying to get to the SABC in but they are failing to get there.
Usibusiso kahle ufuna abantu ama-influence especially ma TikTok kanje. Yeah, ufuna abantu abanjalo. He's dealing with like ama-influence of TikTok a lot. So we got a tip from him, then yeah, and then sakhuluma sawangiplanela date, then our day was today.
Yes. So when according like to your side, would you say that influencers are taking over the internet, or influencers are taking over celebrities?
angazi angeke ngisho kanjalo ne but I feel like more influencer step esiduze ukuba celeb.
Yes.
Angeke ngithi influence take over ngeceleb nyala lapho.
Yes.
Yeah.
So like what can you say about the challenges like you faced like as from a person also as way to till you are like today Ntwana yabo?
Hey, ama challenges maningi dog. Maningi umona inkulumo ezimbi especially mawufika kule level yethu le ukuthi manje like you know uzohlezi uhlangana nezinto ezinegative kakhulu yabo. Yeah, ugcine sofuna no give up futhi but ke free advice guys, don't give up, yeah. Keep on pushing, yeah. Because I was about to give up on music, to be honest. I feel like whenever I do music, I'm trendy, but yeah, I'm not even trendy at the same time. I mean, sometimes I'm be patient,
yeah, that's so painful. Yeah. Because like it's painful. Look like you make a song like out of your heart, then you upload like I want to feel it, but people ain't going to share that song like a trend. I want to share it. Yeah, probably item.
Or by sharing like because like ngiyabona le ngoma yami Apula ne bebashara ngokuthi bahleke njengengoma kathi Mashego le ona liona bebahleka kuyo kakhulu but ababona ukuthi ihlukanisa unyaka wenza imali mntana abantu.
So like so guys, watch out there, chiefs. There's a difference between trending nicely and trending more clearly.
Yeah.
Because when a person, I think Facebook was wrong of what like ma ushira into is supposed to put a different statement. Because yes, what when I like what you want to say on that statement because umuntu uzobhala into ebheda but when amase uyibona on original post izabhala 1 share or 5 shares or 500 shares mase uladelela ama shares lawan you find ukuthi people were sharing your video because of the good things. Yeah. So I feel like that's each that's like at the end of the day for abantu but we still go on Bugeri but we would like to know Ntwana like uthi iphethe kanjani Soweto Ntwana like how is it been though Ntwana like you know till today Ntwana?
So it is cool. Isharp ngikhulele khona ngeke ngithi ngiphatha kahle right nje. Yeah. Isharp Soweto I won't say much.
So Ntwana like are you looking forward like to be unlocked and stuff or when it comes to events even nama parties nama birthday celebrations into eziningi and stuff?
Yeah, because we're keeping everything posty, blasting. Yeah, I'm looking forward guys. I'm a best MC, best dancer, best vocalist. Yeah. So Ntwana whoever open kwenza ama event like ngithinte lapho and then I nje ne crowd izobaningi I'm definitely sure you will make money. Kana vele bashila bathi ngiyimali. So you make money kana.
Yes. But like there was this scenario that was like really trending when they were not too bad pointed on you but it was a situation whereby they were saying if you still like George you still an albino then you try to cut past then you sell them, they will make you more money. Like at that time Ntwana or at that phase maybe it was last year or 5 years back, how did you feel Ntwana like did you like make buzz of George?
Mina ethi ngitshele mina ngifuna ukuthi uba team according to me and according to my knowledge. I don't believe ukuthi in any albinism she or he is the medicine. No. uNkulunkulu akacreate umuntu ukuthi azoba we-medicine yakulomhlaba. I feel like into ithi abanye into mawuzobelieve kuyo izoyenzeka. Khona manje mawuzobelieve ukuthi kunesipoko uzosibona ngoba uyasibelieve. Yes. So there's no such guys. There's no such. Just that thina nje singabantu abalight kunani. Yes.
Yeah, so in other words you're trying to say like you believe on what you see.
Yes. You believe in what you see.
Yeah. And then there was like this kid who was being sold by a mother for 20k. What would you say about the 18 video?
I don't think umama kaMampela. I don't think umzali wamampela angayenza lento leyo. 20k futhi.
For 20k intwana like.
No.
Ngayishaya intwana because ngicabanga intwana like sentence umntana for 20k when I know ukuthi
okay besides 20k why mele uthengisa umntanakho why I mean ipeni izwile ngomntanakho ipeni izwayo uthando zomnika lona so I don't think ukhona umzali ongathengisa umntanakhe I don't think
it's not making sense out of all like at the end of the day intwana
it's not
and this thing Donna like I'm trying to touch all stories and there's this thing Donna Donna ish like Donna like particular Donna like you wasn't happy with it Donna
at all and like mina as a sister ngihlezi ngizibuza ukuthi umntana kithi safe na esikoleni na yabo at the same time I feel bad because I've been through such things now yabo like I really feel bad a lot and ngizwile futhi bathi abakamtholi umuntu oyenze lento because iDNA ayimatch neka principal I feel bad a lot.
So guys, do you think we would like I have a question like do you think ukuthi police have failed us in like this justice of uCwecwe since but abayitholi iDNA how can you test wonke abantu like if you did it earlier ngabe bayitholile leyo nto sooner the better because yenzakale in October last year.
What I know ne abona imali ingamenza umuntu avala umlomo
imali yasebenza lapha
angifuni ukuthi in but wena nje uyicabange kahle ngengqondo yakho imali yakhona uvala umuntu umlomo
yeah that's you can say that again
yeah angifuni ukuthi in but imali
because there was this guy who at Randburg who was I think he was running sort of like a parliament item so he tried to shoot his wife so when he tried to shoot his wife the gun jammed I think we talked it on I think on episode 30 or 32 or whatever
yeah.
So when the gun jammed when it was time for them to appear at the court with his wife the guy and the wife they never went to court so I think that was money that way so at the end of the day the money if the money because that's gonna be the problem so it's the same thing
into ebuhlungu ukuthi babribe umuntu ngomntana omncane ona 7 years ongazi next ongazi nokuthi yini rape nomntana akatholanga justice ngenxa ukuthi wena umuntu uvaleke umlomo ngemali how will you feel if lento beyenzeke kumntanakho how will you feel
yeah so at the end of the day like asondegrand because the reason will be imali yabo
do you think so justice for uCwecwe sooner or later like guys like please Slega sense umeyiwa it's been how many years now there's you uzobona ukuthi uzofika maybe 2030 look at someone in justice
what into ebuhlungu ukuthi umamakhe into ezenzekile kuye the very same thing yenzeka kuCwecwe naye akayitholi justice and naye uCwecwe akayitholi justice and it's like a curse to them what if nomntana kaCwecwe at the same time uzohlangana nento kanje yabona ukuthi it's like a curse nje family yabo ukuthi okay should thina we deserve nje ube urich all the time and asiwathola ama justice
so mzansi Africa unzima uba intombazana
a lot
and there are a lot of things like as a girl you go through it's like I speaking like personally from their heart there are some girls like I have met who will tell you what like they've been raped before then after they feel comfortable on you they will tell you what when I was growing up I was raped by my family member or someone from outside and that's shit because at the end of the day when you analyze it as a guy you be like like
it's hard bro sometimes nobona even if like we uzamukeva nomuntu wakho sometimes iyabuya leyanto because
yes in memory if flashbacks yajika big and of which at that time umuntu lo yabuzama ukuheva naye yena bengayi understand because yena befuna ukufika ku situation yani ukuthi selinja seliheva but when you stop him or her just because you can't due to ama flashbacks now and sometimes in life we try to clear those things but they can't be cleared because there are some little things ezisenza thina sicabanga ukuthi hayi now we are supposed to be like into lena yayenzeka manje ngicela sibekuthe so uthula umuntu sekwatile so ngathi uyinyoka awusafuni
and it hurts for lo muntu ongazinex yabo it hurts a lot so nje mina nje guys ngicela ikuku iyacela guys ayibona iyacela like serasa sikhuluma manje noma head njwabaza ke noma kuthiwa manuhoni njwabaza guys unga ayi but no like okay ngihlekani it's fine mara like ungarepi sungazulanda umntana omncane hayi shame njwabaza ulampheli khona
what if wayicela
ngicela umntana na 7 years ungabona ngakho ngicela umntana na 7 samothenga umahosha wathi ambothenga ke ambothenga ungarepi
so ungcono uvele icele udayi
mina ngamloya she mabona umuntu ongaphinda ngirede futhi mina just at that time bengazinex but nje mina I will make sure that I don't even bother ngiyahamba nokhipha lezi khokhalala zakho ngaphansi kwami nyokuloya because lento yakho uyazi ukuthi uyisebenzise kanjani serious
okay guys let's hear about it
because that's going to tell you justice
yeah this story is very
but just to refresh the brain and get onto the map like do you think nowadays is it still normal on ushilana what and stuff like or these days so amakhisi lakhisana lehlangana lesijola like ukushelana on ama 2000 is it still a thing ukuthi nje izinto bazana abantu dala ngibona abantu ihliziyo yami yejojo nguwe
it's not like it's normally
but is it still effective though
Tana mina ngazi ngigomkela from 2019
so
from 2019 yazi ngihleli ngaphende sizi nje yo lo mntwana muhle
mina ngazi yo like bayangishela mara ayi kenale muthu yabo but for now angazi ukuthi angazi or like nikbaqala kanjani ngokuncozana then after kusasa sesajona
but
yeah ukwenzakala kanjani like okay ngizobona namhlanje ngithi kusasa ngicela hug then ngizoqabuza next time
so ayisekho lento ukuthi mina ngithanda
I think it's like old school yabona isikhatsi abamandoza nabo abantu yeah isikhatsi sabo leso kutshelana kanjani
so nje wena umuntu omhaga nje kusasa utshela
so hug next time maybe baby kiss and then hug saqabuza then sesikwazi si on
but but just speaking of the fact of what I want to know so how is this thing like of ukuthi umuntu yazi ukuthi njalo lobani but still yaqhubeka ukushare how is that feeling like towards on your side
ngona uyazi ukuthi njalo nomuntu wami I feel like ufuna ukungitexta ingcono ukuthi okay ungavuma na yabo cause he knows khona laba bafika sase shanda carpet why under carpet wafuna umosha into enhle why
sorry
yeah
sorry mina ibe under carpet
besides okay ke mina ngislima as a girlfriend ngiphinde ngithi okay ke so shanda carpet siyajona shop sijol khaqa screenshot kumuntu wami uphele kanjalo umshado mina ngitshela kahle ngifuna umuntu onganamuntu mina nginomuntu ngangimoshela into enhle so okay and besides like I feel like for Tina ne abantu abane albinism kuskars uthola umuntu okuthanda kamampela
yes
so why so much
you can elaborate on that go
like serious mntwana kuskar cause like ungafika wena ustizi uthi Snow White ngiyathanda uzowenze ngawo wonke amandla wakho ukuthi ayi umtholo Snow White sharp nami ngomthatha umfana abantu serious okay iqhubeka relationship kanti uphezulu ngamaplane wakho kungidayisa ufuna imali nawe kumanje njengokuhleli nami ufuna imali so nje the minute uthola uthando lamampela ulibona ukuthi yes lo uthando lamampela especially umuntu makekuthanda nomntana wakho nakubo bamthanda umntana wakho nawe bakuthanda hlala ntombazana kusikasi ukuthola ifamily yomfana ekuthanda nomntana wakho banithande nje ungamoshi into enhle gcwele ubufebe.
Man, how do you go through, like how do you make umuntu like uthina ekuthembi or wena umthembi ukuthi lo nguye wangampela, like ubonakala
ubona ngezenzo mntwana ngezenzo the minute ubona izenzo zomuntu okay angasho ukuthi ngicela umthembi okay uyizwe into yakho ukuthi yengene yakho mara izenzo zakhe uzibona ukuthi yo umuntu noma bathi kuye awunotshela ngalogelo wakho 1 million ahlanye manje ukuthi uthini ngomuntu wami okay kunomuntu ofika athi gelo wakho 1 million ahleke nawe serious uhleka nabo shoot nawe nje shoot nje umuntu ozokhona ukuthi ngibuza abangani bami for ukuthi bakhuluma nge-girlfriend yami kabi ngcono ubungane buphela ngeke uzokhuluma ngomuntu wami kanje ngcono ukhuluma ngomuntu wami kanje ngingekho uzotshela umuntu wami ukuthi 1 million who are you wena uzomtshela kanjani. So like umuntu nje ubonisa uthando okuhlonipha noma ungekho eduze kwakhe uyakuthanda umuntu loyo.
So I guys, as you can feel on what she's saying about Snow White on indaba zomjolo mfethu, like it's very difficult because you know like it's just that like I'm a little bit like trying to analyze because at the end of the day, you know, abantu abamnyama they always believe uthini nalimali yathola.
Yeah,
so it's a challenge because even though umuntu lo wena othandana naye you need to see ukuthi kahle kahle nguwe yini or mhlawumbe ayisuye or mhlawumbe this person is using me or mhlawumbe yathola. Like now from your own personal knowledge you start having like personal thoughts on what I'm supposed to do this or not do this or find this or not find this, but Ndona, besides that, like how has been like your experience when it comes to hosting party, so you know, like I'm Grove.
Sometimes especially when it's hard for me to go there. So that's why sometimes so I include my mom because I know like a new one here. So, yeah.
So like we first born is.
Yeah. First and last Okay,
yeah. Go.
So I include my mom so that as a shooting, since ngimyeka lo muntu umfuna uzoba sezandleni zakho. And if something happens to my daughter, ngizomfuna kubo.
Oh, you've got one kid.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's one daughter.
Yeah.
And your man. Oh yeah, you can go on. Yeah.
So sometimes I go with my man so that they're like, hey, but
you still have to push
Yeah, sometimes I go with my manager, sometimes I go with my muntu. But that's why it's listening. If you want to see event good and I include my mom with your mama, I shall good and then pay a match. And then I was saying, so like we rather talk with event organizer, which is Mbukeli transport, we are Jala, Giabuya. Same time I'm full in Jebuti, Jebube is pity because abanye jibamaya. Especially when I oh, corner we post it so Monday evening.
But just like how was the kid like today when you left at home? Was she crying or Siraja to mama sometime?
I feel like I'm going to Musiswak. Because she's my mama.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm camera. So, but it's close, like a relationship gets like a friend.
It's like a friend relationship.
But at the same time, I think that I go to mama clicky.
But it will click this time cause.
Yeah, I feel because when it's when I see mama, so all my mom like kushika malaga mama. Yeah, boy, mama muchinut. It's okay, me when kid.
Oh, so like no, like
I feel like mama,
so she's thinking good like mama.
Yeah.
So cause I was I was asking myself, man, this is the only girl who is trending on social media, but and I'm done. Then how is this thing like I'm still asking myself, you get what I'm saying, Ghost Boy, like you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So it is.
But ubaba kumbiza ngobaba.
Oh yeah.
Sihlezi imfundisi ukuthi mama angeke umuzi nangalanga athi mama kini hayi. But thina siclose kakhulu like siclose siyaxoxa nje nochomi nje noma ngazi izinto zikhulumayo but nje ngiya relate akuze sikhulume nje. Thola sakathi ufuna umama maseka boreke kahle la hlala khona nami sivele simhambise.
But this song that says that song, it's released, that one. Oh, so what was the song related to? Like, was it related to, like, isn't it said like I like?
The time I was writing those lyrics, ingoma kahle kahle, iti amalanga awafani.
Oh.
So the minute they say serilaka, I meant nkulunkulu. Ngicela ngibonise la ngiyakhona because amalanga awafani yabo. Iminyaka ayifani. Amalanga awafani. But as when ukhona as uNkulunkulu ngibonise la ngiyakhona yabo. Yeah, I meant that. Say properly last year November. So simele manje ukuthi sihlanganise because inomali DJ Gizo, DJ Kari, Chimashino.
Oh, so like you haven't performed it like
I did.
Oh, you have like
in a month.
Yeah, I mean like performances on Ingoma there. Yes, yeah.
Yeah, I did last year in Nakona because I've been got to my booking this year. Because then what's all Mara, I know my weight, guys. Never was on table to find a book I need 250. No. What was that? The creamier me calabu 250, creamier me buzu. So nzoyili 250 nzobya ngani nzozoya ngani.
Yeah, because the transport is here. Because like remember from those bookings you're supposed to end month that you're supposed to
for the transport.
So remember like
the whole day but
so like I know my you rather not unlock me. Ngizozenzela ifemi yami ngibe big abantu abafuna unlock serious. Bazwambela ne-contract yami ngiyinika yona because ngikusendela i-contract ukubonakala ukuthi ngi-professional ngizokusendela i-contract yami ngikusendele ne-contract yami sayina lana ubone ukuthi ngikwaba kanjani because angithi ayahluka ama-bookings ithile ufuna ngibe i-ambassador ufuna ngipromothele i-brand or ufuna ngize as an MC or a vocalist. Like that depend or ufuna ukuthi nje ngibe host nje yabo. So yeah, it depends. So nje ngoniye ngihlala ne-event yakho.
So like for the people who do not know, what can you say? Booking color from how much? Because I usually on TikTok the least I took was 1.3.
It's okay.
So yours 2K. So
yeah, distance.
Yes, but despite distance, despite him, it's 2K. So but Giovanni Moses, let's start we're still going on. It's 2K. You booking barriers, no why? It's 2K. So
2 million. Yeah, it's okay.
But let's put it in this way. Sometimes I feel like in Apple shouldn't stop because most of the people that are using iPhone in South Africa are Android users over Apple users. Because donation Apple users on Apple or on like Umshabani is not too much compared to the donation of Android users. So April is the least like April that is donated iPhone to 1 billion people. From iPhone 1 to whatever or even 16, but the Android is donated to 6 billion. So your impact of trending when you say before I will apply a move, is going to be more because you are affecting those 16 billion users over 1 billion. So that trend at the end of the day, if you keep on doing it and doing it, especially on TikTok, and you put some money or so whatever,
I feel like
valid.
The time I was doing this, like they have video, like I wasn't fighting with anyone. I was just doing a content. But at the same time, I feel like I don't promote man. They should do something, but like Baba science in next. I don't know iPhone 14 could listen on Shava man. How like serious because quite stop ukuthi bazile ukuthi how mfethu wasipromota kangaka how 6 point something million viewers le mfethu so nje upapa wami ukuzigulisa nomhlaba nje
mfethu so you had like 6 point something million views on
that video
is it TikTok name
ama viewers amangaka almost umhlaba wonke phela manje. So like the only thing I'm focusing on is music.
So not like trying to ask you like what's your upcoming plan, but at the moment through your experiences, what can you say about music? Because there's this another girl that I'm chatting with who's pushing music, but she's getting a bit of guys, so like when what can you say about music? Is it a matter of like ubekwazi ukuthi umuntu lo upusha into enje so or this guy is it a way of ukudlala nabo producer or you are playing with people who are marketing music or it's a way of playing with people whom you know ukuthi bona they are into lyrics like when what can you say like that?
Mina ngasho ukuthi experience yami nje angatholi a lot of experience kahle because since ngirecorde nomuntu one ngirecorde no Gizo and then ingoma yethu yokuqala yiyo le yamalanga S2 yelo so dropa nabo Jima Shikho noKari ukhona phakathi kwayo.
Oh, so it hasn't the second one hasn't been dropped. No, so it's about to drop.
Yeah, simele nje ukuthi
ukuthi kube ngathuba quiet because like you can't drop on social media about Drake eqeda ku drop when about Drake eqeda ku drop Travis Scott dropper DJ Khaled drop on
isibhekane nenkinga serious nabo bococa bekhona we have to focus on Coco. I can't push myself well Coco akekho right for her so we have to focus on her until abasharp.
So Bafet, we back again from the break, Bafet, but we're still going on, Bafet, we're rolling Bafet. So like Snow White, what can you say about Bafet, about the guys Bafet from Soweto, their impact on Los Angeles Bafet?
I English means.
Yeah.
Right, yibo bethu usindle mkhosi uzothini bayibo
just like
akuna like something eniyenza ahlanganisayo nihlanganisa nonke ahlangani magigi athuzana estrateni or anything.
No, I just know them ukuthi okay lo usindle lo cause but like usindle siyeza khuluma nje kancane nakhona no cause naye nje kancane nakhona akuna beef nabo as beefy we just talk nje nakhona asikho close. I think it's you just talk because sikhulume kancane.
So
I think uma ungangena ku inbox yami no cause or inbox yami no sindle nje.
So
ama conversation amancane.
What were those guys chasing? Were they like checking up on you or like just chasing you or maybe they were trying to get close to you maybe someday when you pop up or like maybe call us ID now?
Mara usindle le besiplan ukuthi sizorecorda si2 yabo. Inkinga angithanda ukulandelela and I think ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngizomlandelela kanini yabo bekumele ukuthi sirecord si2 besiplan ukuthi sizoya e-studio so ngiyabona ngathi ufuna ngimlandelele and then ngathula naye wathula so thulile.
Oh, so was that studio from your side?
No,
Or
best
his
not
side?
playing. Best not playing so happy. But best playing good in just so keeping on so. But as I'm going to because uvelo athula nami ngathula. Okay. So we are not beefing again. We just cool. Yeah.
So yeah. Joanne is about to hammer, but like when like from your side, like you want to be an artist or you want to be an MC or you want to be like a content creator, like which one between those amongst those three you pushing the most?
An artist.
An artist,
Yeah.
then after artist we content create.
No guys, to be honest, I was a content I was a content creator because of ngifuna ukubhekwa. Yeah, bengifuna ukubukwa, but main talent yami is to be a dancer, be a singer. Yeah.
So like I was listening like to that radio podcast at Ikwekwezi FM when you were saying ukuthi you want to ukuthi abantu bazomamela into eziningi because when like you talk a lot yabo. So when you talk a lot, that means like people are going to even reshare or retweet a lot. So like
the minute they talk ngifuna ubheke and the more ubheka mina ngikhipha ingoma uyayilalela.
Oh.
Yeah. I want to talk into better. Uhleke ukwate then uphinde ubone focus kimi. Most focus kimi mina ngiya-release uyalalela futhi.
Yeah.
Yes.
So like ndona like
and again it's khona umuntu inspired by especially okay ukhona uzinhle
DJ Zinhle.
no there's this girl uzinhle like angazi bambhala ngo ZEE then bashi space but NHLE uzinhle locula lo ngoma lethi ukuthi uyangifuna ukuwe lokho no selima
who is that girl? Very cool.
Uzinhle and ngiyakubona.
Where is she, bra? What? No. That song when it trended, it was a last year. I think last year.
Last year, it play.
Oh yes, last year. Early last year. Yes.
Last year.
So do you think ningakhona uhlangana one day nje?
I wish I can't even pay.
So Lindsay collab. Collab mele ifume la.
No, like but I want to ask you this personal. It's not personal to you, but there's this girl who passed away, and she made this song that called. It's called this girl who just recently passed, and I was Java very corner. Most of the DJs were there.
Oh yeah, the upcoming law.
Uyanda.
Yeah.
Do you know it?
Yeah, I remember.
What is this one that she made? Uyanda. Was it you album they got killed anymore?
Yeah, basically she was an upcoming artist. Like yes, a pop up. When like
artist, but she passed away.
Yes.
She made the song that called
yeah, Luyanda. She was a piano artist like abo Tombondon. The guy who hammer no kila kao. Who passed away to money?
Oh, washana lap.
Yeah, I know.
She passed right now, but she was so I have forgotten the song she has right now.
But then I became the best singer.
Yeah, she was the best singer, and she was recommended as the best singer. And please, rest in peace, and I beg up like
Guys, on a brighter note, what's new, guys?
Like the girl, she didn't buy it. Beg up like into a corner.
Hey, siyashona singamasele worried.
And right now, I don't know what can you say about Matuke. They are passing away.
No.
So many other IPs we have done.
For Matuke, too much. More RIP for Matuke than the 1990s.
Most of Matuke are shonai. According to the way ngibona ngakhona, Matuke ahamba kakhulu. Kazi ngicase ngithanda izinto guys. Yaza ngolo spray. Mina le one thing about me when I pray, I don't pray for mina kuphela. I don't know why. I'm just used to it. The minute I pray, ngikhohlwa nokuzi-include man emthandazweni wami. Ngithandazela abanye abantu. Guys, asiyeni ukuthanda izinto, guys. Asiziyeke, especially singamantombazana. Asiziyekeni izinto, guys. Because ishona ngokuthi siyahamba siyaphi.
Because bengifuna ukubuza lo mbuzo ukuthi what do you think about i-groove culture lapha eJozi for ama-2K? But then since uthi awuhambi too much for ama-groove and stuff.
Mina ngicela kudala ukugroova unless ngiyabhuka.
So no personal groove for when uthi awuyahamba le just nje ufuna ukugroove on.
Ngicela kudala ukugroova. And besides noma ngigroova nje nomuntu wami nje. Mawuthi uthi matching outfit ihleli.
Back to back. Awunala thing uthi ufuna ukugroove uyi-one nje uchiya umuntu wakho endlini akuphazamisi lapho yakhona.
Inkinga ukuthi noma kuthiwa ngiyaya 30 minutes it's enough because ngizomfonela ngithi ngicela ungilala.
Okay. Oh yeah, so recently we had like my discussions with the other girls, like a girls podcast. What's your take on ama-abortion of amantombazane since when uthi like I rather like take care of my own kid ngimbona khula ajabule yabo? What's your take on that with amantombazane akhipha izisu and stuff?
Judge.
You don't judge?
It's your choice. Une-reason why.
So that's not a default entombazane ukuthi I like.
Akusihlazo. For my side akusihlazo. Awumfuni une-reason i-choice yakho. Noma kuthiwa bathi wena ukhipha izisu it's fine. Abazi ukuthi ubhekene nani endlini. Yes, you did a mistake by sleeping with the boy without condom. But why mele uye ngabantu? Okay, uyamletha umntana uzomsafarisa. Why? Mina ngikujaji. Angimjaji choice yakhe. I-choice yakhe ukuthi wenze abortion. Just that thina singamantombazane sithanda ukujajana too much. Sithanda ukujajana singazi ukuthi umuntu ubhekane nani. So I don't judge. But if baby day ayifuna umntana, yini mina khona batshela ngeke uzohlala nomntana la. Uzoyapi ezekele. Thatha umntana ohlala estradini. Hona next asebenza qhubeka ngesikole uzwenzani. So it's fine. Bayenzele i-abortion bayenze for a reason vele. If be wrong bengeke ibe khona.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're talking about like on the brighter note, ngiyabona ukuthi it's
No, remember, I'm still trying to think about this song about Uyanda and it was coming to mind.
Oh yeah.
But you can be asking her something.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah. So we're talking about my trust issues. Do you have like trust issues when you're meeting with people like abantu like new people mawusendaweni and stuff?
Yeah.
What's your take on meeting up like abantu abasha, making new friends and everything? Uyi-one nje every time.
That's why we need to kuscrass uthola umuntu osithandayo in real as albinism because mina nginabangani. Angiyakuzwa futhi ukuthi ngicube umngane wakho. No, wafuna umngane wami ngoba nginefame. Ngizokubona mina ukuthi uwena uzoba umngane wami. Ngizokubona. Mina ngumngane oyi-one, my man.
That's all.
Ngihlala naye each and every day. Siyabhorana hleli sowazi ahamba aphume ngihlale ngimela abuye ahlala ahambe esikoleni nami ngibona ukuthi ngenzani nje kuphela.
Oh, so your man is your bestie.
Bestie.
Yes sir. What's really about it to time? No man.
Honestly, guys, I'm not way. Cause ngeke ngithi abantu bami ngana.
But to fix it, like to say the truth, that makes like that's something that's so real and authentic, you know, like treating your man as your best friend.
Cause sometimes
because you can't have a bestie when you know you.
And then no course, ukuthi ayibona umuntu wami yes. No course, agcina sithi intwana nathi impintshi. Sixoxa sihlebe ngabantu sibaqede. Ngikhohle nje ukuthi konje ngeke ngihlele umuntu wami nje. Yabo. Cause like nje injalo.
That's something that's very true.
So yeah, you're talking about your music, man. I'm so fascinated. Muzukula at that time with the mic. You know, I want to like the vocals. Just these are man.
Okay.
The vocals. What do you think about them with Mautuda mic, just raw mic? you get abantu ukuthi okay angikwanisi ukucula ngidinga maybe i-echo, I don't know what you add on top ukuthi i-voice lakho lizwakale kamnandi.
Yo, mina, I don't know anything about producer, ne?
Yeah.
But the minute ngicula, ngifuna inkinga mina most of the time mangicula ne, ngithanda ukukhipha ingoma ezine-message.
Oh yeah. So let's like manje sibhekene nani kuza ini for now?
Manje.
Because you said you're releasing a song, man. Not a song title, yeah.
Manje ngibhekane nina noManyika Inyoso, noDizo, noKari, and another guy ngikhohlwe igama lakhe so campaign but they are included. Sikhipha ingoma.
What's the song title?
Normal.
Do you have a song title as yet or aningahlanganisa song title yo date yokurelease?
Sicedile kusho ukuthi nje sidrope.
Sidropa nini le ngoma sibheka kuphi WhatsApp with it?
Sizodropa I think next month.
Mhm.
Then yeah, sidrope in a music video. Ungayibheka each and everywhere. Ubheke na inbox timeline yami. Yeah, studio.
Social media platforms ngithele kuphi for you lo?
With TikTok it's Real Snow White, with Instagram it's Relebule 5310. And then with Facebook it's Real Snow White.
Yeah.
With Facebook it's Real Snow White, with TikTok it's Snow White, and then with Instagram Relebule 5310.
No.
Then it's everywhere. Yeah, it's everywhere. Short video call, it's everywhere. It's a studio. We look at this dropping the pen.
Then I hope it's a music video because it's like a bangers and then we don't get a music video for our bangers.
No money.
Yes, sir. Thank you, smart. Thank you, Snowy. So yeah, what do you think about like Soweto Gents? Bazangape Josie. Do you think would like Soweto Gents Soweto Majita azangape Josie bafuenzi fame ngapha? Or maybe behlale Soweto vele throughout?
Mina guys, I'm judging umuntu ngento ayenzayo guys. Cause nami ngifuna ukujudge. But whatever ayenzayo, as long as benefits it's fine.
Okay.
As long as benefits it's fine, but they must keep on pushing you.
So we're gonna check you out on the next podcast when you're cool, like bigger than this one. Hopefully so that like over big every time. I'm hoping we will when you podcast enkulu
kunalena. So yeah, because I was planning to go when you podcast inkingi iseLimpopo and simane sikhuluma nale muntu ukuthi ngizoza kanjani yabo.
And
so yeah, ubig yena because u podcast abantu ababig njengabo Tekeleke.
Okay.
Abo Tsaka. If you know Tsaka.
Yeah, do it.
But Tsaka. Yeah. Podcast about picking yana. Why need yana? I feel like nyana. Oh, podcast about picking. Yeah.
Alright, then now Steve back again. No, Steezy.
Sure. Like yeah. So like we been again, we still going again. Get the beginning. So I was saying like, how did you feel when Yanda passed away? That girl was saying that song which says, Manje yaibo nindlela izinto zami ziyakhanya manje yaibo nindlela yeah, that girl, bruh. If it's Java or DJ, it was DJ Oskiro was there, yes.
I nyazo or maybe unikula bandi, I understand. Like or mimi ngayazi.
Yeah, maybe don't know it.
Yes.
Yeah, she's.
But rest in peace, girl. Ngoma kini message ya uzona ino.
Yeah, it's interesting. But you know, the girl is interesting because this is Kanye. But at the end of the day, the things like didn't come like indlela wife isagayo. But the things came indlela wife isagayo sedlule emhlabeni. You know, that's what I'm trying to say at the end of the day. Ukuthi like when you can say ukuthi ufuna izinto zakho zikhaya emhlabeni, but mawusaphila azikhayi, mawusudlile sezikhaya just because people sebezibuza ukuthi umuntu lo yephi who was singing this type of song, you know. something like that into it.
Like our killer face, but some of a big face.
Exactly, that's what I'm trying to say. Our killer cow, is killer cow what really 21 and the Sabo Pura
dog
and the Sabo, you know.
And the Pelampora was like a 7 no. Upon the producer a big leg. Maporis. But sometimes Maporis are Izolo. Izolo, I need to call Maporis.
Yeah, by that time, yeah. Izolo, yeah, by that time. Yeah, but that's the thing when you go to like when you're about to become big in this industry, you eventually like fade away. Soon as you fade away, then the things that you left on it, they still come up getting big at the end of the day. Because at the end of the day, so you wanna is like because when you're supposed to be there and Fisutimali there and maybe you needed that money for that purpose outside to or what and stuff, you know, you do for at the end of the day but
the industry
it's so difficult, especially when it comes to this industry. You cannot make it out connection, especially connection, because you can be an artist.
You can go to school of art to get qualifications. Also now, ungana connection. Also voice so nothing just is better.
Guys, no, I'm expecting you to repeat like.
But I want to remember seventh and I'm sorry. Oh, like ngiyabona lama artist ngiyabona but umsoni guys. Si producer lo Kelvin Moon. Yeah. Ivocal ya umsoni ne beat la Kelvin Moon then nje. Yeah. Ubheke nje ukuthi hit.
Hey bro,
hit.
Sometimes I ever feel like Kelvin Moon is like a challenge to Gabs, but because of his classics,
yeah, I feel like Bagule Vele just the brands in a fan, cause low private, low
professional, yeah.
So low rasa sharp, but rasa yes, but mina ngithanda ukukhala guys, ngithanda piano nomulalele nje uhleli one ngithanda lo njengoba bala nje kanje.
Yo, brother.
Yeah.
That's my favorite artist when it comes to deep songs, bruh. Ubabalo M. Please keep on pushing, like keep on dropping more songs. Like Ubabalo M has a message.
Role model.
I do not know what it does that can have like Kamakos writers.
Yeah.
Cause the message is always too much. Even I was started they can do it, but Ubabalo M is that artist or made a push like a blind, but you know I'm recognized as the artist there blind and tone. So like every song that she sings in a message
that's why nibafuna boy too umsongi ngikitakhipha ngomlomo ishala yo le mfana lo ayakhula le mfana. Okay, abona ithema ngibona yena nonaledi bakhola lo ngakwata mara ke
ujetha kwata njalo
zokwatelana ngoba ngiyike level ngiyana lady vele yabo but he knows yes
there was this item
he knows when sakhala ngayi nathi and every podcast where I go ngizohlezi ngikhala ngawo until unake. He knows.
There was this item when Nanette was kissed by or given a hug by Chris Brown. And most of our class were Chris Brown quite did because Nanette was the only person who could receive those opportunities.
Yeah, and a lady like pushing the girl pushing utrending on malunga makhe oqala le no bathi wamtshontsha ngama lyrics ungamaye silethi ngithini ngoma yakhe oqala mawangibhemehleni kubuthando yebo then wakhipha ekhaya one ithi
lethu babu there's this one that touched Chris Brown. Yes, that was the song that touched Chris Brown and made Chris Brown to come to SA.
Yeah.
I think about Chris Brown maybe in Africa, bro. Those people originally.
But that is imagine where who does a kid in Travis Scott. So imagine how is it gonna be that? Where Travis Scott will not do a kid.
But yes, push on, guys. That's the one case so Bob.
But Donna, what could you say to those upcoming artists or upcoming guys or upcoming influencers that wanna be like you at the end of the day in Indonesia?
Mina guys, mina ngithi push on, guys. Yabona push on. Yinto ngizonitshela yona. Ungagive up, pusha, ungagive up. As long as uNkulunkulu asavulele, akekho ozovala. Akekho pusha. Inkulumo zabantu zikhona. The minute uba big kuwa nenkulumo expect the minute uba big expect ukukhona ama negative comment azokuthinta la.
There's this song etwa bale izibusiso by Caps of this small that says sebeyakhuluma baqalile manje ushuthi khona izinto ezihamba kahle. So the moment they talk about you, that means when you are lying.
Yes.
Everything is good, but you can
pusha guys, pusha. I feel like wonke amathiti ala khona because of a patient awanaki izinto. Kazi abantu bazokhuluma ngawe kabi or bakhulume nawe kabi just because of bafuna uphela umoya yabo uyeke lento oyizamayo noma bangathi wenzani, it's fine, but mele upushe guys, uyopushana bafethu pushani shame. Mina ngizopusha ngizofoster until ngifike kulento engiyifunayo, ngizofoster. So nje pushani and uNkulunkulu the more abona ukuthi uyafoster uzobona ukuthi shame umntana uyazama shame awuthi nami ngimvulela indlela zakhe hawo. So pushana akekho ozovala and keep on praying. Once you include God entweni zakho ngitshela, because the minute babona ukuthi uyapusha, the minute babona oh lo wenza so abanye babamba ngehliziyo and ihliziyo is something. So the minute upusha guys and include God, keep on praying. Ungamthandazi uNkulunkulu when you're desperate kuphela. Pray noma unakho akumbonisa ukuthi like yes people sometimes ne kuba nzima, especially when mangibukhe kude, it's hard for me to go there. So that's why sometimes internet, so I include my mom because I know like a new one's help live in him. So keep on pushing, keep on praying. Into engayisho guys. And then ngakhalela ukufana nami. Ungafuni ukuthi ufuna ufana nomunye umuntu. Ungathi ufuna ufana nomuntu. Ithi at least ngifuna ukuba sama levelini wakhe. Uphinde umdlule. Because the minute uthi ufuna ukufana nami, uzofana nami awazi ukuthi mina ngiyenzani. Mara ufuna ufana nami. So nje be yourself. Yeah. Be yourself.
I'm a fit njengoba lesi written to be yourself. Push off ingafani naye bafethu because you don't know whatever she's going through because you know there's this thing yama celebrity, they always talk about positive things but they don't blot out negative things ukuthi bahlale lani but they always see. So ngibona umuntu ku TV ushuthi like umuntu lo blind aphumile but awazi ama negativity things of face and lawo. So guys, now just push it where you're there and keep on going and where you're there. Be persistent till you make it. If you just become or out of persistent, that means you're
ukumanje uzofuna ukufana nami. Mina ngihlala emkhukwini. No like for real. No like for real. Ngihlala nomuntu emkhukwini wakubo. So why ufuna ukufana nami? Awazi ukuthi ngihlala. So be yourself. Ngisho ngihlala endlini ebetter kunami but ngibona ngihle ku social media. So be yourself. Yes, yeah. Futhi abanye futhi bafuna ukufana nathi because sithola ama 1k. 1k is nothing guys. We don't have money, we're broke. Fana noSteez. Nayo broke nimbona.
Yeah, do we right?
I said do
but that's fake man. Because ma 21k decide about to
lama intambo benizibona lapha kuleya It's real. Why should I fake? It's real. Ngihlala lapho. Yes, and I'm proud. And I'm willing to push ukuze ngichange futhi. So, ubu-negative benu ngeke benze ukuthi vele ngihlale kuyo. And I'm willing to change. Ngithatha imali. Yeah, ngithatha imali yokuchinja. Why mele ngoba nina ngithe mina mele ngitatazele no. uNkulunkulu uzoyivula indlela le uzoshintsha. So nje nina relax fun. And be yourself. Keep on being yourself because you're mini young for umuntu osifekayo. Yo guys, ungazifake yo. Ungazifake.
Especially abantu abafekayo.
Yo mfethu. Uzosizwa kanjani ufeka? Uzosizwa kanjani? Manje uthi unemali. Normal, chumela thina ngenibhekho ebolekile. Sasa unayo uzithengela kanjani yakho? Manje uthi unayo. Hayi. Yabhora serious. Ngitsho ukuthi kukumanje mina ngibolekile imali yokuzala. Yena mina ngibhadala. Mina ngibhadala imali yabantu ukuthi ngizela. Angithi mina angithi ngifuna abangibona. Ngibolekile. And ngiyibhadala futhi. Angithi ngithe ngifuna ukuzala. So keep on being real guys. Hey, these are
I see your Buffett. This is the boy Buffett. This is Buffett. Don't forget to subscribe. Bambugele, we're still going on Buffett, but we're still on the game Buffett. Make sure you don't get kicked out or miss any episode Buffett. This is episode 43.
43.
Yes, Buffett. So we're still going on Buffett. So make sure you watch it till the end. Yeah. And if you go to this end Buffett, we're happy for you Buffett. That's it.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys. So make sure you subscribe, Buffett. Tango.